We're here today because October is Florida Native Plant Society Month, and we are grateful to the mayor and the commissioners of Dunedin for designating October as Florida Native Plant Society Month. And we commend them for supporting native plants in the community, and Dunedin has a very special place for native plants and native plant communities in the hammock. Native plants are generally thought by definition to be those plants that were in Florida, La Florida, when Europeans first arrived in the Americas. Native plants add so much to your landscape, and that's why it's a very good idea to integrate them into your landscape. Native plants have a lot to offer. They typically tend to be very drought and salt tolerant. They require less water, less fertilizer, and less pesticides. They add to a sense of place, what was old Florida or the real Florida. Native plants, because they co-evolve with our native wildlife, including butterflies and pollinating insects, for example, the plant just behind me, which is one of my favorites, Simpson Stopper, it is very attractive to butterflies and pollinators in the spring when it's bloom, a very subtle but very pretty and lightly fragrant blossom. And as you can see behind me now, these red berries are irresistible to mockingbirds, and recently we had some fish crows come in to eat these berries. Native plants are generally available not as much as one would hope, but more and more so, and at a local hardware store they can be ordered, and they've done a very good job of that. And there are other nurseries that specialize in native plants, and if you go to the Florida Native Plant Society website, fnps.org, they will have links to various sources. There's a Fall Native Plant Festival Saturday, October 17th, 9 to 4 in Largo at a local nursery there on Indian Rocks Road. The local chapter, Pinellas chapter, meets at the Moccasin Lake Park in Clearwater the first Wednesday of every month at 7 p.m. They have interesting topical talks, and they also have field trips to various locations featuring native plants and native plant communities. For more information, visit fnps.org.